All right, so I want to put these mirrors on. Already got the other side on, and I'm going to go through how to take them off. So all you need is a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver, and then an Allen, and you only need what is it, 5mm right here. You got it all at Harbor Freight, super cheap. All right, so this side is a little difficult because I already got the other side off. I put it on already, and there's this clip. This side comes off really easy. All you got to do is just take your Phillip and just unscrew this. Just unscrew it, and then you could just pull it fucking right out on the other side, no problem. But this side has a clip. It goes like right here. There's a clip, and it holds it in. I don't know why the other side doesn't have a clip, but this side has one, at least for me. I'll show you. So I unscrewed this a little bit. Now I'm just going to start pulling it a little bit and getting it out. And then there's a clip right there. That's the clip. And so you just want to get the clip out like that much, and then get yourself a flathead, and there's a hole right there. Stick your flathead in there, just kind of pry it out. There's another hole on the other side too, and you can go like this. Just get that clip out. Just pull it out as much as you can, and then just keep tugging on this. You kind of twist it too. It doesn't matter. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, doesn't matter. Just keep pulling it out. There you go. Now you can see this one has a clip, but this one doesn't. But I already took this off. But I wanted to show you guys how to like take it off with it actually on. So I put it back in. It actually came off a lot easier this time, but the first time I was trying to take it off, it was a lot harder. This one kind of just like pulled itself out, but the trick is you got to get that clip out. So you gotta just go there and with your flathead and kind of like just pry it out a little bit on both sides, and then you could pull it out. Or else you can't just pull it out in the beginning. At least for me, it just didn't work. And then yeah, I'm installing these. And yeah, for this, another problem I was having with this is you start tightening and tightening it, but it just keeps spinning. So you need a wrench or something, or what I use is just my fingers. And I was tightening this a little bit, kind of expanding it, pre-expanding it before I put it in the hole. Because if you just put it in the hole and it's not pre-expanded to like as much as you can go before, like you don't want any wiggle room, because it will just keep on spinning and spinning. So just expand it a little bit before you put it in the hole. And you just get it in there, and I'm gonna get on the bike, see where I want to position this, see where I like my mirror. See what's behind me. I like it right right there for now. I'm just going to keep that angle. Start tightening this. Hopefully I don't have to take it out again and tighten it a little bit more before I get it in the hole. I want to get it all the way in the hole too. On the other side, I didn't really go all the way in because of this grip. I didn't want any like friction on the grip, or else then you're gonna have your grip is just gonna stick, and then you're gonna be accelerating without even touching it, and that's pretty dangerous. So I didn't go all the way through on the other side, but this side I did. Just tighten it as much as you can, hand tight. I wouldn't go super crazy. All right, I think that's good, and it's still gonna move around a lot. Like, you see all that movement? That's normal. Haven't had any issues with it coming out, and I'll try to get it out right now. See, oh man, it does look like it'll come out, but my other one hasn't come out. They move a lot. See, this one moves a lot too. They're not really that sturdy, but haven't had any issues with it coming out. It's like I put this on pretty tight. But it still moves around a lot. That's just in the design, maybe a design flaw or something like that. They're not, like, you see these are real long. Maybe if they had one that was a lot longer, long rod that went in there, would be better. But I don't know, I'm just gonna leave it like this. This seems a little loose. I'm gonna tighten this up. This one has a 4, so I'm guessing this is a 3. I don't know, 3 millimeters. Oh man, I don't think I'm going to be able to tighten this because I need a wrench for the other side to hold it down and keep spinning. But that should be fine. I'll fix it later if I have any issues. Like, if you're going real fast on the freeway, like 100 miles plus, this thing's gonna, like, it's gonna fold. The wind resistance is it's just gonna take it. But that's no problem. As soon as you slow it down, you just pop it back where you like it. Plus, if you're going that fast, you're not even using your mirrors because you're the fastest thing on the road. And yeah, that's it. So let's see how it is. You could adjust this. Yeah, this one's a little loose. Yeah, this one's a lot better. This one right here, I guess I need to tighten these. Let's see, not that one. Tighten these babies up a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Yeah, like I said, that I'm pretty sure that's normal, but you could comment, tell me if this is not normal. But I got these on Amazon, universal freaking mirrors for like 20 bucks. So they're not the most sturdiest things, but they work, and they're pretty cool looking. I like them.